Are you considering joining the United States Army? Well, there's never been a better time. Recent reports show that the Army not only met, but exceeded its recruiting goal for fiscal year 2024, enlisting over 55,000 new active duty soldiers, and has already secured more than 11,000 future soldiers through its delayed entry program for fiscal year 2025. But why are so many individuals choosing this path? Let's take a look. In the past, entering the workforce right after high school often meant securing stable, hands-on jobs in trades like carpentry or factory work. These roles required practical skills learned through shop classes and on-the-job training. Over time, a societal push for college education led many to pursue degrees instead of these trades. While college degrees opened doors to new opportunities, some would argue that the market for degree-dependent jobs has become oversaturated, with some entry-level positions now requiring advanced degrees. At the same time, manual labor professions such as plumbing, electrical work, and similar trades have seen a rise in demand and pay, offering competitive salaries and signing bonuses to attract workers. The U.S. Army bridges the gap between these trends by offering recruits hands-on experience, technical training, and leadership development, all while providing educational benefits, financial stability, and job security. The Army combines physical rigor with intellectual growth, allowing individuals to push beyond their limits in roles that require both mental agility and physical endurance. As part of their enlistment, recruits choose from over 150 career fields, known as MOS, which include but are not limited to engineering, cybersecurity, and aviation. By scoring well on the ASVAB, recruits unlock even more opportunities, ensuring a career that aligns with their strengths and ambitions. Additionally, the Army's Future Soldier Prep Course has helped over 13,000 recruits meet academic and physical standards, with 90% success rate in transitioning to basic training. Programs like these ensure that recruits are supported every step of the way. Serving in the Army offers more than a paycheck. Soldiers receive tuition assistance for higher education, GI Bill benefits to pursue degrees debt-free, career flexibility to transition into civilian life with valuable skills, opportunities for entrepreneurship, with many veterans leveraging Army-earned benefits to start their own businesses. In an era where traditional career paths are shifting, the Army offers a unique blend of stability, growth, and meaning. You're not just working a job, you're part of a mission to serve your community and country while building a future for yourself. So, if you're ready to explore a career that pays you to grow, lead, and achieve, consider joining the U.S. Army. Your path to greatness starts here.